In the heart of a great battle, swords clash, and the cries of the valiant echo through the air. A knight, Sir Cedric, clad in shining armor, raises his sword high, rallying his fellow warriors as they charge towards their foes. The quest for justice begins here, as the kingdom's peace hangs in the balance. Sir Cedric, the protagonist of our tale, is driven by a noble cause, to restore justice to his besieged homeland. With a fierce determination, he seeks to reclaim the honor lost to treachery. Accompanied by Lady Elaina, a wise and courageous queen, they embark on a journey fraught with danger. As they approach the great castle of Arendelle, the air is thick with political intrigue. Nobles plot in shadowy corners, while feasts and jousts display chivalry on the surface. But beneath, betrayal simmers. The stakes rise, and Sir Cedric must navigate this treacherous terrain to fulfill his mission. Enter the Dark Lord, Malachar, a rival knight who wields dark magic and seeks to conquer the kingdom for himself. As he gathers forces, Sir Cedric faces an external enemy and an internal struggle, torn between his duty to his king and his burgeoning love for Lady Elaina. The climactic battle erupts at dawn. Sir Cedric stands against Malachar, their swords clashing in a fierce duel. The stakes are life or death, honor or disgrace. In a moment of sacrifice, Cedric must choose between his love for Elaina and the fate of the kingdom. In the end, victory comes at a great cost. With Malachar defeated, peace returns, but not without sacrifice. Sir Cedric reflects on the weight of honor and the burden of choices made. The echoes of battle remind him that valor often demands a heavy price.